Hey everybody, welcome to Kat's Novel Adventures. Today's video is about time management and developing good habits. Meow. One of the items on my 23 for 2023 list is to read the book Tranquility by Tuesday by Laura Vanderkam. She is the author of 168 Hours, and if you've been watching my channel, you know that I just recently wrapped up the time tracking challenge that she did, and I learned a lot from that challenge. So I was super excited when I received an email a couple of days later that she is doing this Tranquility by Tuesday challenge. Basically, it's 9 rules, 9 weeks, and it's a way for you to take these rules and turn them into habits. And I want to invite you to join me and my friend Analog Betty as we participate in this challenge. Analog Betty also tracked her time the same week I did, and she found it beneficial, so that's why she went ahead and registered. And I'm super excited because now I have someone in the community to chat with and to bounce ideas off of as we navigate the next 9 weeks. I want to share with you the 9 rules. Rule number 1, give yourself a bedtime. Rule number 2, plan on Fridays. Rule number 3, move by 3 p.m. Number 4, 3 times a week is a habit. Rule number 5, create a backup slot. Rule number 6, 1 big adventure, 1 little adventure. Rule number 7, take 1 night for you. Rule number 8, batch the little things. And rule number 9, effortful before effortless. So these are the 9 rules. Laura is going to introduce 1 rule per week. She'll send an email on Fridays explaining what the rule is that we will be doing for the week. And then I believe she'll send a second email with some follow-up questions. One good thing is you do not have to read the book in order to participate in the challenge. You can sign up for the challenge if you want to at lauravanderkam.com. The Tranquility by Tuesday challenge actually starts today, January the 20th. And I thought it would be nice to share some of the planning questions that Laura included in the first email that she sent out for the first rule, which is to give yourself a bedtime. So the first question is, what time would you like to wake up most mornings? Number 2, about how many hours of sleep do you need on an average night? Number 3, what time do you generally need to be in bed in order to get this amount of sleep? Number 4, about how much time do you need before bedtime to relax and get ready for bed? Number 5, what might keep you from going to bed at your bedtime? And number 6, how do you plan to address these challenges? So I really am excited that this is rule number 1 because I have not been getting to bed on time at the same time every night for the last couple of weeks. So I am looking forward to trying to implement this rule and make this a good habit for me. Developing new habits can be challenging in itself. So I like how Laura says, the good news is that everything becomes easier over time as the grooves of habit wear deep. And I tend to agree. It's going to take time to turn these rules into habits. However, since Laura introduces 1 new rule a week, you have a chance to learn the new rule and also practice the ones that she has implemented already. So by the time you get to rule number 9, you've had all these weeks to practice the other rules, and hopefully you'll be well on your way, well, at least hopefully I'll be well on my way to developing some new habits. Now I will tell you, I have already participated in this challenge because I was actually one of the 150 participants that was in the original time study where she gathered the data for this book. And some of these rules actually turned into habits that I still keep today. So I know that they work, especially if you are willing to put the time in to use them. Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate you taking your time to watch my content. And, we'll see what happens with this challenge. I hopefully will gain something from it, just like I have been from my time tracking. But in the meantime, stay amazing and be adventurous. And join Analog Betty and me on this Tranquility by Tuesday challenge.